After more than 7 hours of jury deliberations Tuesday and a week of trial, nothing changed.
This was a just verdict, and Mayor Dupree is still the mayor.
Part of Mayor Johnny Dupree's legal team, Jim Dukes, says the mistrial declared by Judge William Coleman was the right move. Defense attorney Precious Martin says determining an election should not be in the court's hands in the first place.
The plaintiff, Mr. Ware, was required to prove his case, and he could not convince 9 folks in this county that he had proved his case.
Attorneys for Dave Ware, who lost the election and brought the challenge to court, say that's not the case and that 9 jurors actually did agree. After about the 5.5-hour mark of deliberations, the jury reached a 9-3 verdict in favor of declaring Ware the winner of the June 4th mayoral election. That satisfied the court requirement that at least 9 jurors agree. A photographer with the Hattiesburg American captured the actual verdict on camera that indeed declares Ware the winner. But when Judge Coleman polled the jurors several times, the vote was 8-4. The jury was sent back to make sure the numbers were correct, but the jury sent out a note about concerns with being polled in open court. That's when Judge Coleman told them to write down their names in a column as to whether they agree with the initial 9-3 verdict. When numbers still didn't add up and 9 jurors said more time would not help, Judge Coleman declared a mistrial.
I've never seen anything like this where we actually get a favorable verdict and then have it turn around into a mistrial right before our very eyes.
Part of Ware's legal team, Corey Wilson, says they will now begin evaluating their next step, but contend it was Ware who won the election and the case.
We put our all into this, and we feel like we put some really good proof out there about some serious things that need to be addressed in the Hattiesburg area.